Welcome to the only guide you'll ever need on how to successfully set up a Facebook shop. Today, we're going to walk you through every step on creating a Facebook shop that will have you selling products and raking in revenue in no time. So let's dive right into it. Before we start, let's quickly go over what you'll need. Number 1, a personal Facebook page. Number 2, a Facebook business page. Number 3, and products to sell, of course. And if you don't have a business page yet, I'll show you the best way to set that up. Great, let's get started. First things first, we need to access the Facebook Commerce Manager. Now don't worry if you've never heard of Commerce Manager before. It's Facebook's powerful tool for managing your online store, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. To get there, start by logging into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture on the top right or left-hand corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Meta Business Suite. Under All Tools, select Ads Manager. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I thought I was setting up a shop, not running ads. Don't worry, we're in the right place. The Ads Manager is actually a gateway to a lot of Facebook's business tools, including Commerce Manager. Once you're in the Ads Manager, look for the menu in the top left corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines or a burger menu. Click on it and you'll see a list of options. Under Shortcuts panel, you'll find Commerce Manager. Click on that and voila. You're now in the Commerce Manager. All right, now we're in the Commerce Manager. It's time to create your catalog. Think of the catalog as your foundation of the Facebook shop. It's where all your product information lives. To create your catalog, look for a button that says Add Catalog and click on it. You'll then see a few product category options. Online products for e-commerce and other options like local, travel, real estate, and auto. For this example, we'll use online products. Now give your catalog a name. Keep it simple. Something like your business name products works great. After adding the basic information, we'll skip tracking as this can be set up later. Assign catalog permissions to yourself or partners, then we'll proceed by adding products to your catalog. Just quickly, before I show you how to add products to your catalog, I'd like to share this comprehensive marketer's guide to Meta by HubSpot, which has been incredibly helpful in promoting my shop via Facebook ads, and is the ultimate guide if you're looking for the latest tried and tested marketing strategies on Facebook and Instagram. I've linked a copy in the description below for you to download for free. Now comes the exciting part, adding products to your catalog. This is where Facebook Shop really starts to come to life. In your new catalog, look for the items section and click on it. Then click Add Items. You'll see a few different options for adding products. Number 1, add items manually. Number 2, use a data feed. Number 3, connect an e-commerce platform, partner platform. Adding items manually is great if you have a small inventory or have unique products that require detailed descriptions. It's also a great option if you're just starting out and want to get a feel of how everything works. Using a data feed is perfect if you have a large inventory. You can create a spreadsheet with all your product information and upload it all at once. This is a real time saver if you have dozens or hundreds of products. Connecting an e-commerce platform is ideal if you're already using a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. This option allows you to sync your existing product catalog with your Facebook shop, which we'll cover in more detail in just a moment. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider adding a like and ringing the bell so we can continue making these tutorial videos for you. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. The manual process is time consuming. Isn't there another way? Well, if you're already using e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, I've got great news for you. These are the 2 main platforms we'll focus on for streamlining your Facebook shop setup. Let's start with Shopify. Number 1, log into your Shopify admin panel. Number 2, go to Sales Channel section. Number 3, look for Facebook and Instagram in the list and click on it. You can also view it under all recommended sales channels. Number 4, click install and follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store to Facebook. Once connected, Shopify will automatically sync your product catalog with Facebook. Any changes you make on Shopify will automatically reflect on your Facebook shop, saving you tons of time on product management. Now for those using WooCommerce, number 1, in your WordPress admin panel, go to plugins. Number 2, search for Facebook for WooCommerce and install the official plugin. Number 3, once installed, activate the plugin. Number 4, go to WooCommerce, settings, integration, and Facebook for WooCommerce. Number 5, click on Get Started and follow the prompts to connect your WooCommerce store to Facebook. After setting up your connection, you can choose which products you want to sync with your Facebook shop. The plugin will then automatically keep your Facebook catalog updated with your WooCommerce inventory. Using these integrations can save hours of work, especially if you have a large product catalog. Plus, it ensures that your Facebook shop always has the most up-to-date product information, pricing, and inventory levels. One thing to keep in mind is while these integrations are extremely helpful, you definitely want to double check to make sure how it looks on your Facebook shop. Sometimes product descriptions or images that look great on your website might need a little bit of tweaking to shine on Facebook. Whether you're adding your products manually or using an integration, optimizing your products is crucial for success. Let's talk about how to make your products irresistible to potential customers. First, let's talk about your product titles. A good title should be clear, descriptive, and include key product features. For example, instead of just blue t-shirt, try men's soft cotton v-neck t-shirt in navy blue. Next, your product descriptions. This is your chance to really sell your product. Describe its features, its benefits, and why someone should buy it. Make sure to answer common questions customers might have. Is it machine washable? What material is it made of? What sizes are available? Images are incredibly important. Use high quality images that show your product from multiple angles. If you're selling clothing, consider using images of people wearing the item. This helps customers visualize how the product might look on them. Pricing is also another key factor. Research your competitors and ensure your price is competitive. If you're running any promotions or discounts, make sure they're clearly displayed. Lastly, keep your inventory up to date. There's nothing more frustrating for a customer trying to buy a product that's out of stock. With your products added and optimized, it's time to make your shop look amazing. In the Commerce Manager, look for the Shops tab and click on Edit Shop. Here you can customize the look and feel of your shop to make it more appealing to your customers. Choose a layout that best showcases your products. You can also create collections to organize your items. This is especially useful if you sell a variety of product types. For example, you could create a separate collection for paints, primers and sealers, and painting accessories, making it easier for your customers to browse and find exactly what they need. Don't forget to customize your shop's colors to match your brand. Consistency with your branding helps build trust with your customers and makes your shop look more professional. Take time to play around with these options. A well-organized, visually appealing shop can significantly boost your sales. Next up, shipping and payments. These might not be the most exciting part about setting up your shop, but they're extremely important to get right. Click on Settings in your Commerce Manager, then Shipping and Returns. Here's where you'll set up your shipping options. Define your shipping region and rates. You can choose between flat rate, free shipping, and calculated based on weight and destination. Don't forget to create a clear return policy. The clearer your policy, the less headaches you'll have down the line. For payments, Facebook partners with various payment processors depending on your region. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred payment method. Make sure you're offering payment options that are popular in your target market. Now let's supercharge your reach by connecting your Facebook shop to Instagram. This is a great way to expand your potential customer base. In the Commerce Manager, go to Settings, then Business Assets. You need to have an Instagram business account that's connected to your Facebook page. If you haven't set this up yet, now is a good time to do it. Go to Business Settings, click Instagram Accounts, then click the Add button. Follow the prompts to link your Instagram business account. Once it's linked, you'll be able to tag your products in your Instagram posts and stories. This creates a seamless shopping experience for your Instagram followers, allowing them to browse and buy products without ever leaving the app. With your shop set up, it's time to start promoting. Here are some quick strategies to get your products in front of your potential customers. Number 1, use Facebook ads. Start with a small budget and experiment with different ad formats and targeting options. Number 2, showcase your products on your Facebook page. Create posts that highlight new items, sales, or customers' favorites. Number 3, use Facebook Live. Host live shopping events where you showcase your products in real time. Number 4, leverage user-generated content. Encourage customers to share photos of themselves using your product. Number 5, participate in Facebook groups. Become an active member of groups related to your niche. Now, as promised earlier, I have linked our ultimate tutorial on how to set up your Facebook business page in the description below. So go ahead and check that out after this video. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices to ensure your Facebook shop success. Number 1, keep your product catalog updated regularly. Number 2, respond promptly to customers' inquiries. Number 3, use Facebook's insights to track your shop's performance. Number 4, stay on top of Facebook's policies and features. Number 5, encourage reviews from satisfied customers. And there you have it, you're now equipped to launch and run a successful Facebook shop. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so be patient and keep refining your approach. And before you leave, don't forget to grab the comprehensive marketer's guide to Meta from HubSpot. I've dropped a link in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more e-commerce tips coming your way. And hey, drop a comment below if you've got any questions or you want to share your Facebook shop success stories. And if you haven't set up your Facebook page, we've got the perfect guide on exactly how to set up a business page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.